If you are creating new content for your course, you will begin by adding modules. There are 2 places to add a module, and both allow you to type the name of the module into the text box. Press Enter to save and create the module. You may choose to create all of your modules at once and then add content. This can be done by adding modules in the sidebar. If you want to create submodules, you can do so in the module page where it says Add a Submodule. This will create a space for you to organize the module or add additional resources. You can also create a submodule in the sidebar by adding a module and dragging it into an existing module. Submodules are designated by an indent on the sidebar and appear as a box within the module page.